Hello friend, this is Vikram Kode, Assistant Professor of Agriculture Economics, KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. In this online learning session, we can focus on what do you mean by marketing channel, which are the factors affecting marketing channel, and marketing channel for fruits and vegetables, poultry, and oilseeds. So first is the definition of marketing channel. So marketing channel are routes through which agricultural products move from producers to consumers. It means it is the routes through which agriculture products move from producers to consumers. So marketing channel is different for different commodities. So we can focus on factors affecting length of marketing channel. So first factor is nature of the commodity. So if the commodity is an atom of daily use like wheat, paddy, the channels are different. But in case of fruits and other commodities where the package is involved, the channels are different. So marketing channel is depends upon the wheat and paddy, which are essential commodities and which are required for daily use. So in this there are no packaging function is not required. But in case of fruits and other commodities, the packaging function is required. So marketing channel is different for wheat and paddy, and it is different for fruits and other commodities. Second is the size of the farm. The small scale farmer disposes of his product to the village salesman than to the transport it in regulated market. But the large scale farmer adopt the different channels to dispose of his product. So small scale farmer in the small scale farmer the quantity is small, so he do not sell this product in APMC. He generally sells in the village salesman. But large scale farmer it a different marketing channels. He can export the commodities. He can sell in the APMC or the other primary market or other secondary wholesale market. So marketing channel is different for the size of the depends upon the size of the farm. Third is the perishability. The perishable commodities are required to be sold off immediately. There is no provision to get them stored or put in open lot in the markets. These goods have to be disposed of immediately. In that case, the number of channels is small. So, marketing channels for perishable commodities like milk, fish is small. The number of channels for less perishable goods, the number of channels for less for perishable goods like wheat and paddy is more. So paddy and wheat and paddy marketing channel is more. So fourth factor is time of sale. So at the harvesting time, the product has to pass through different channels. But in off season, the product has to pass through small number of channels. At the time of harvesting, the quantity is large, so marketing channel is also large. But at the time of off season, generally seller sells in the nearby market, so marketing channel is small. So fifth factor is the place of living. So as agricultural products are produced in the villages like vegetables, milk, there is involvement of small number of channels for marketing in villages as compared to their channels in cities. So marketing channels for milk and vegetables is a small because these are the perishable commodities. But as compared to cities, the marketing channel is large. So, sixth factor is the development of the society. So, in a developed society, the people wish to purchase the packed and processed goods instead to process them at their own. So, in developed countries like America, Britain, they can consume most of the packed fruits or processed goods. So, instead of process them at their own. But in underdeveloped countries, the people purchases the unprocessed goods and then process them at their own as the preparation of bread from flour. So in developed countries there is a large number of channels, but in underdeveloped countries there is a less number of channels. So these are the factors affecting marketing channel. So we can focus on marketing channel for vegetable or fruits. So marketing channel for vegetables or fruit is the number of channel is there. First is producer to consumer, that is direct marketing. Second is producer to primary wholesaler to retailer, and retailer to the consumer. These are the another marketing channel for vegetables or fruits. Third is a producer producer, then it goes to the processor for processing, and then it goes to the consumer. So fourth channel is producer to primary wholesaler to secondary wholesaler, secondary wholesaler to retailer, and retailer to the consumer. So these are the different channels for marketing channels for vegetables or fruits. So we can focus on marketing channel for oil seeds. So marketing channel for oil seed is a producer to consumer. It is a direct marketing. So another marketing channel for oil seed is a producer to village trader to processor, processor to oil retailer, and oil retailer to the consumer. Then again, marketing channel for oil seed is producer to oil seed retailer to the processor, processor to the oil wholesaler to the oil retailer to the consumer. And last is marketing channel for oil seeds is producer to government agents to processor, processor to oil wholesaler to the oil retailer, and then it goes to the consumer. So marketing channel for poultry is producer to consumer, it is direct marketing, producer to retailer to consumer, then producer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer. And last marketing channel for poultry is producer to cooperative marketing society to the wholesaler to retailer, and retailer to the consumer. So these are the different marketing channels for fruits and vegetables, oil seeds, and poultry. So friends, in this way we can complete the simple topic of marketing channel, definition of marketing channel, factors affecting marketing channel, and marketing channel for vegetables or fruits, marketing channel for oil seeds, marketing channel for poultry. So thank you friends, thank you very much.